Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets, your trusted source for valuable investment insights, stock recommendations, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we'll delve into the 3 stock market leaders for savvy investors to buy in 2024. So before we start, we kindly ask that you like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Also, get up to 15 free stocks to add to your investment portfolio from Moomoo when you take the bold step to open and fund a brokerage account. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer that could supercharge your investment journey. Click on the link in our description to dive into the details, seize your chance, and claim your free stocks. The time to empower your portfolio is now. Let's get started. Embrace the forefront of technological evolution as we delve into the realm of semiconductor innovation in 2024. In this era of rapid technological advancement, 3 unparalleled leaders have risen to prominence, steering the course of semiconductor technology with unparalleled innovation and strategic expansion. At the vanguard of this transformative era, these 3 stock market leaders are not merely engaged in conventional business pursuits, they are orchestrating groundbreaking technological revolutions that resonate at the very core of our digital existence. The first among these trailblazers is making waves with groundbreaking achievements in semiconductor manufacturing nodes, pushing the boundaries of what was once thought possible. Simultaneously, the second leader stands as a harbinger of pivotal advancements across various semiconductor domains, shaping the landscape with their visionary contributions. The third luminary in this triumvirate is propelling the industry forward with an unwavering commitment to AI computing, ushering in a new era of intelligent technology. These initiatives transcend the ordinary, representing a fusion of technological genius and strategic market planning. Join us as we unravel the intricacies of these technological giants, exploring the intersection where innovation meets market foresight. Immerse yourself in a journey that goes beyond the stock market charts, into a realm where ideas seamlessly integrate into the very essence of our digital future. Let's review our list. Number 1. Intel, ticker, INTC. Intel has made significant strides in advancing its semiconductor manufacturing nodes, showcasing remarkable progress in the field. The successful execution of nodes like Intel 7 and Intel 4, coupled with the anticipation surrounding upcoming nodes such as Intel 3, Intel 20A, and Intel 18A, underscores the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of technological innovation in semiconductor manufacturing. These various nodes represent distinct levels of advancement, with smaller nodes reflecting higher transistor density and improved overall performance. A testament to Intel's prowess is the deployment of nearly 150 million units utilizing Intel 7. In Q3 2023, products like Alder Lake, Raptor Lake, and Sapphire Rapids demonstrated the company's ability to produce and distribute products on a massive scale, leveraging advanced nodes. This volume not only showcases Intel's manufacturing capabilities but also underscores its strategic approach to large-scale production using cutting-edge technology. Moreover, the initiation of initial shipments of Meteor Lake on Intel 4 further exemplifies Intel's aggressive stance in ramping up production using state-of-the-art technology. This move signifies a proactive approach to bringing new products to market swiftly and efficiently. One of the key technological differentiators for Intel has been its use of extreme ultraviolet tools in Intel 4. This deployment provides Intel with a competitive edge in terms of capital efficiency compared to earlier UV tool launches. The high-volume UV manufacturing in locations such as Oregon and Ireland, especially at Fab 34 in Ireland, reflects Intel's strategic focus on establishing geographically diverse and resilient supply chains. This diversification is crucial for minimizing disruptions and meeting global demands, showcasing Intel's commitment to robust and reliable production capabilities. The integration of UV technology and Intel's efficiency in manufacturing processes has been pivotal. Intel's claim of achieving more than a 20% capital efficiency advantage with its UV tools compared to its initial launch highlights the company's capacity to optimize manufacturing processes and enhance overall cost effectiveness. Looking ahead, the impact of these technological advancements on product development is anticipated to be substantial. Examples such as running Windows on Arrow Lake using Intel 20A and the 0.9 release of the PDK for Intel 18A underscore Intel's progress in achieving critical milestones outlined in its semiconductor technology roadmap. These developments position Intel as a frontrunner in the semiconductor industry, driving innovation and shaping the future of computing technology. Number 2. Applied Materials, ticker, AMAT. Applied Materials has solidified its leadership positions within pivotal technological shifts in the semiconductor industry. The company has notched remarkable achievements across various domains, including etch, gate-all-around, backside power delivery, DRAM, high-bandwidth memory, and heterogeneous integration. In Q4 fiscal 2023, Applied Materials reached a significant milestone with over 10,000 shipments of the SIM3 chamber in the etch division, underscoring the company's proficiency and market presence. The continuous growth in the installed base and the expansion of long-term subscription agreements highlight Applied Materials' adeptness at both retaining and attracting new customers. Of particular note is the impressive 5% increase in the installed base, a clear indication of Applied Materials' prowess in not only maintaining but also expanding its customer roster. With an extensive installed base more than twice the size of its closest competitor, the company enjoys a competitive advantage, reflecting a high level of customer trust and satisfaction. Furthermore, a noteworthy aspect is that 63% of total parts and service revenues are derived from long-term subscription agreements. This substantial percentage speaks to the stability and predictability of revenue streams for Applied Materials, showcasing a strategic advantage. With an impressive 90% renewal rate for these subscriptions, the company demonstrates a high level of customer satisfaction and the value clients derive from its service offerings. This robust renewal rate underscores the reliability and effectiveness of Applied Materials services, solidifying its position as a trusted partner in the semiconductor industry. Number 3. Qualcomm, ticker QCOM. Qualcomm is committed to advancing the capabilities of multi-billion parameter Gen AI models, enabling their continuous and simultaneous operation across diverse use cases. This dedication extends to multimodal applications, showcasing Qualcomm's commitment to reshaping user experiences across a spectrum of devices. The evolutionary journey from feature phones to smartphones and the integration of graphical user interfaces for PCs underscore Qualcomm's substantial contribution to the transformative impact of on-device Gen AI. The anticipated pivotal role of Snapdragon in this evolution solidifies Qualcomm's strategic position as a driving force behind a paradigm shift in user experiences. The Hexagon NPU's top-notch performance ranking at 45 and a total AI performance of 75 tops across CPU, GPU, and NPU in the Snapdragon X Elite platform serve as examples of Qualcomm's advancements in AI processing. These achievements underscore the company's technical prowess in efficiently handling diverse AI workloads. It is expected that more high-performance AI will be built into flagship devices by global original equipment manufacturers in 2024. This will have an effect on silicon content, unit sales, and mix improvement. This shows Qualcomm's huge potential for revenue growth and market influence. Strategically, Qualcomm has expanded its reach into the realms of PCs and augmented reality/virtual reality, marking a significant step towards diversification and the pursuit of new growth opportunities. The introduction of the Snapdragon X Elite platform further signifies Qualcomm's unwavering commitment to crafting superior intelligent computing experiences. Furthermore, the platform boasts features such as the custom Orion CPU, surpassing the multi-threaded CPU performance of competitors while consuming significantly less power. The Adreno GPU, delivering up to 2 times faster performance and matching peak PC performance with 74% less power consumption, reinforces Qualcomm's technological superiority in the PC domain. In essence, Qualcomm continues to lead the charge in fostering cutting-edge advancements that redefine the landscape of intelligent computing. In conclusion, as we navigate the landscape of semiconductor innovation in 2024, the journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. 3 industry giants, Intel, Applied Materials, and Qualcomm, have emerged as beacons of technological progress, each contributing uniquely to the evolution of our digital future. Intel, with its groundbreaking achievements in semiconductor manufacturing nodes, has showcased its commitment to pushing technological boundaries. The successful deployment of Intel 7 and Intel 4, coupled with the anticipation surrounding upcoming nodes, positions Intel as a frontrunner in the semiconductor industry, driving innovation and shaping the future of computing technology. Applied Materials, on the other hand, has demonstrated its prowess in pivotal technological shifts within the semiconductor industry. Achieving milestones in areas such as etch, gate-all-around, and more, the company's growth in the installed base and the strategic expansion of long-term subscription agreements underscore its reliability and effectiveness in the semiconductor landscape. Qualcomm, with its dedication to advancing Gen AI models and reshaping user experiences, stands at the forefront of technological evolution. The Hexagon NPU's exceptional performance and the anticipated integration of high-performance AI in flagship devices highlight Qualcomm's potential for revenue growth and market influence across diverse use cases. As we unravel the intricacies of these technological giants, it becomes evident that they are not merely engaged in conventional business pursuits but are orchestrating groundbreaking technological revolutions. These initiatives transcend the ordinary, representing a fusion of technological genius and strategic market planning. The impact of these advancements is not confined to stock market charts, it extends into the very essence of our digital future. From Intel's deployment of advanced nodes to Applied Materials' reliability and customer satisfaction and Qualcomm's commitment to reshaping user experiences, these companies collectively shape the trajectory of technological progress. In essence, we invite you to immerse yourself in this journey, exploring the intersection where innovation meets market foresight. The strides made by Intel, Applied Materials, and Qualcomm underscore their pivotal roles in steering the course of semiconductor technology, marking a transformative era that promises to redefine the landscape of intelligent computing. As always, before you spend your hard-earned money on buying stocks or investing in the market, you should always make sure that you have done all of the research and analysis that is necessary. Don't forget to take advantage of our exclusive promotion. Get up to 15 free stocks to add to your investment portfolio from Moomoo when you take the bold step to open and fund a brokerage account. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer that could supercharge your investment journey. Click on the link in our description to dive into the details, seize your chance, and claim your free stocks. The time to empower your portfolio is now. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investments.